Next, let's talk about curly hair. Now, this might pertain to you or might not, but it's important to understand about curly hair. Curly hair usually needs more work. Even if you're used to your own curly hair, you have to understand, in general, if your hair became fuller immediately, within a couple seconds, you would be thrilled, but at the same time, you would have to learn how to handle it. If your hair grew in a little at a time, you would be getting used to it, how to handle it as it got thicker. But if it became thick immediately, like blending the InvisaBlend in, it's a little bit of a different world. You got to get used to having more hair immediately, no matter what texture it is, no matter if it's straight or wavy or curly. So now let's get back to curly hair. Curly hair, the curlier the hair, the more leave-on product you need. And the way to handle curly hair is you're going to still need to thorough brush it with a wide toothbrush or comb. And normally you don't brush curly hair. You brush any size curl and it turns into frizz, whether you realize that or not. Although you need to still brush, just as I stated before about thorough brushing, and please look at the thorough brush video. You still need to thorough brush it because thorough brushing also maintains your hair through the microstrand. So thorough brushing is important. If you thorough brush your hair dry, it's going to get frizzy if it's curly. You're going to need to then dampen it and put product on it. If you thorough brush it when it's soaking wet, getting out of the shower, it won't matter because then it's not going to turn the frizz while it's wet. So the way to handle curly hair, the more curlier, the more product, and you still have to thoroughly brush it. And if it's dry, you have to re-wet it or dampen it well and put enough product on it. The more product, the more you see the formation of the curl. And once you see that while the hair is wet, you have to dry it naturally and not pick or brush through it. Curls are kind of tricky. I'm a hairdresser my whole life. They're tricky. They have to be handled and dried properly to get sort of a ringlet type of curl. So if you need our help on this, please contact us, or if you come into our hair studio, we'll advise you, our technician will advise you and answer all your questions about that.